Here's how to transfer your money from Rapid PayCard to your Cash App. So you need first to open your Cash App and tap the bank icon to the bottom left, then tap Linked Banks. Or add a bank and choose Linked Debit Card. Now enter your Rapid PayCard, um wait, which you can see right here in your accounts, and then your debit rapid pay card info, the card number, expiration date, CVV, and its zip code. Once it is linked, then return to your home screen. Tap add cash and then choose how much you want to move from your rapid pay card and confirm the transfer. It'll come straight from your card balance. That's it. Your rapid pay card funds are now in Cash App.